I'm here at the National Constitution Center in Philadelphia, where Senators Hillary Clinton and Barack Obama are preparing for one last debate just before the oh-so-important Pennsylvania primary. Now, if you look to the side of me here, there are hundreds, probably close to 500 or so people lining the streets around the Constitution Center in support of both Obama and Senator Clinton. Now, I got a chance to go into the crowd to talk to these people to see exactly why they're here to support their candidates.
The people want universal health care. The doctors want universal health care. So why shouldn't we have universal health care?
We believe that Hillary Clinton has the best policies, the best ideas for helping our schools, going forward here. She's the only one that wants to solve No Child Left Behind, make our schools better, opposing merit pay, and really is committed to making our education system better.
Through all these years of feeling powerless and feeling that Americans really had no say in our government, that we just kind of had to go along, that Barack Obama, with his message of hope, his intellectual prowess, the way he elucidates our ideas, he's made Americans feel that they can be engaged in government again.
She has the right experience for change. I believe that she represents not only the younger generation, but older Americans. I think she's got international experience, and she knows what it takes to bring this country back together.
I think Hillary is part of the establishment. I think that it's status quo, and I think Barack really is a different voice, a different perspective, somebody that is really trying to touch the people in America that maybe haven't had a voice before.
I think it's admirable that Senator Obama wants to initiate change in Washington, but you have to be realistic about what can be done. And I think that Hillary can do what needs to be done.
Some of these supporters were here up to 5 hours before the debate, but it's clear that all they really want is to make sure their voices are heard. Reporting here from the National Constitution Center in Philadelphia, I'm Ari Charlstein for the Palestra.com.